Audio Jungle.
Once again, welcome back, guys, on my channel Crypto Victoria. Today, I am talking about very awesome platform, guys, on my channel. So, before starting their review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. So, guys, let's start the review now. Here, you can see deal card pre-sale on my screen, guys. So, their pre-sale is live, and this is very interesting and awesome platform, guys, and you have to don't skip any part of the video. Here I will explain you what is the benefit, key features of deal guard, and how you can join and how you can learn a lot of profits from here. So you have to don't skip any part of the video, guys. So there is our SKU is live. You have to just check it out and go on our website and join our pre-sale. This is a decentralized SKU platform that's secure on ramp and off ramp transactions. So guys, funds are totally locked in smart contracts and released only when terms we are to meet and minimize to all of the scams. So 100% of funds to go to marketing and development and 0% for founders blocked for 2 to 5 years. There is full transparency, guys, and all expenses are to the shareholders. So here you can see our tutorial on our YouTube channel. There is totally you have to trust on all of the online transactions, guys. So here you can check out our token address official, our name that's deal card, our symbol that is DGT, total decimal is 18, and total supply here you can check out. And here you can also check out our soft capped, hard capped, and our pre-sale start time and end time. So go. So what you have to do? Go. What you have to do, guys? You have to simply connect your wallet here, like MetaMask, Trust, Ox wallet, which wallet you are using. Then you have to put some USDT, and then you can easily buy here. So this is basically on Polygon blockchain, guys. So here you have to join our pre-sale, guys, and this is basically security assurance in every business transactions. So we have to just this is the platform that brings security and trust to your business transactions with smart contracts, and we ensure that only you and the seller have access to the funds. We have to focus on your business just while DealGuard takes care of your security. So you have to don't need to worry, guys. Your funds are totally secure here, and we have to just focused on protecting buyers and sellers. And we have just scenarios like such as e-commerce, car purchases, and services agreements. What are the basically key features? These features is we have to release our funds for both parties are satisfied, and we also dispute resolutions. There is if issues any issue arise, we have to conciliate, can mediate and decide their partial or full refund if any issue take place. So this is the multi-token sport, accept digital token and stable coins like USDT or Polygon. And guys, there is what's our value propositions. We have to mitigate the risk in high stakes transaction accessible for individuals and business. So guys, reduces fraud, increases confidence in online and in person deals. So here you have to just secure your funds. And guys, DealGuard is act as a trusted third party in business transactions. We have to security trust in business transactions that's provide you secure, reliable environment for both of the parties, like buyers and sellers. And with DealGuard, you can base assured that your fund will be protected until agree conditions are not met. So this is basically blockchain custody. We do not custody the funds. Instead, payments are transferred to small contracts on blockchain. So guys, this contract provides fully transparency and security of the Bitcoin network, ensuring that only the buyers and or the sellers have access to the funds. And payment link or API is through DealGuard can create your customized checkout using our APIs are generating a simple payment link of your customers to purchase and provide services in detail and accessible reports. You can track transaction clearly and transparently. And guys, any additional information can be verified on the blockchain by your sensitive data will be protected. So you have to don't need worry, and we are ensuring your complete transparency You have to just check out your some clients who trust DealGuard. You can DealGuard benefits business because security for business transaction, ease of integration, transparent access to information, and real-time status update. So you have to just stay tuned with us for the latest news, guys. And you have to try right now Deal Card today. You have to start your journey. You have to connect your wallet. You have to simply create your account, and you have to protect your business transactions with confidence. This is the experience Deal Guard secure custody. So you have to create your account with Deal Guard. You have so guys, you have to just connect your wallet like MetaMask or any other wallet, and guys, then you have to you have to create your account here. So guys, this is our Telegram community. Here you can check out our total members. You have to join. You have to invite your family and friends on this. And guys, this is our Twitter official account. You have to just follow this, and you have to also okay, you can check out our all of the upcoming updates about deal card here. So guys, we are safe, and just quick heads up, you have to just 100% lag it, and you have to must join this, and you can get all of the updation about deal guard here. So we have to go to listing deal guard on famous exchanges like CoinGecko, and it will be accepted our request listing on CoinGecko. It will be listed soon. So you have to must join this. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.